In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to visualize your workflow in Clickup so you can track progress, spot issues, and stay organized at a glance. Start by opening your Clickup workspace. This is your main hub where all your projects and tasks live, so make sure you're in the right workspace before getting started. Next, choose the project you want to visualize. This could be an active project where tasks are already moving, so you can get a clear and useful overview of what's happening. Now, click on the View option and select Dashboards. This is where Clickup brings all your data together into one visual space, making it easier to understand your workflow without jumping between different views. Once the dashboard opens, choose a template like a simple dashboard. This gives you a ready-made layout with widgets that show task, progress, statuses, and overall performance. As the dashboard loads, you'll start to see your workflow come to life. It pulls in real-time data from your tasks, showing what's completed, what's pending, and what might be delayed. Take a moment to review the layout and make sure everything is clear and easy to understand. You can always adjust or customize the widgets later based on what matters most to you. And that's it. You've created a visual workflow in Clickup using dashboards, helping you stay informed, make better decisions, and keep your projects running smoothly.